Alright guys, I'm back. And so I've been, kind of farming and all of that. I got a bowler now and all of that mess. So yeah, I've been farming and I may have tamed two things while we were gone. I know, I'm sorry, but I just had to. I got a parasaur, named it Perry, and then I got this thing right here. And I named it XP's because what it does, when you pet it, it levels everything up. Just like, let's see, does this have an extra level? Nope, but almost there. What about you? No, I don't want to ride you. Inventory. Yep, it has a level up, see? So that's like what I've really been doing. And it's got really, really good weight on it, that's for sure. So there's not much I can do about that. But XP's here has a little thing. We're gonna try to keep him alive, so we'll just level up his health. Alright guys, let's go and ride our parasaur. Collect some stuff. I tried to tame a Dilophosaur, but I ended up killing it. Yes, I need tranks. But don't worry, I'll be getting that in a little bit. Not really that soon. Well, I mean, I guess kind of soon. But for this episode, I'm just going to be really talking and show you how to do stuff. I might do a couple more tames, if that's alright. But yeah, we'll just go, run around and stuff, try to find new people. And sorry if my graphics are really bad. It's just, the computer's so laggy, I put it on graphics like this, so it don't lag as much. You know what I'm talking about. But you see the weight. Oh, weight ain't that good, is it? Never mind, I just need to upgrade that weight then. But yeah, I've been running around trying to see people. I actually seen one dude. I've raided all of his stuff. But that's about it. While I was gone, I took a huge step here, taming a parasaur and getting the saddle and all. Without y'all, I'm so sorry. But we got it done. So that's all that matters, I guess. Oops. I always do that. See this right here? Look at this. Look at this thing. What do you think you're gonna do? I didn't even hit you. If you don't get out of here, you stupid. I hate these things. There was a whole pack of them killed me while we were gone, so I'm gonna just kill it. Compies. Another compy. I hate these things. Where do they come from? And as you can see, my parasaur isn't really that high of a level, but I consider that okay, because, I mean, we're just kind of starting out. I'm just killing stuff for the levels. And I think what I'm on right now is not carnivore. I think it's the herbivore island. I'm not that particularly sure. Not that sure of it, but that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. But as you can see, I've been gathering quite a bit of stuff, for our next tame. Got a bunch of narcos. And so what I need to do now is gather all of I need to make a narco pit thing, whatever it's called. I'm gonna destroy that. I don't like it. I hated that thing. So yeah, we might as well just do a tame this time. We'll just do a quick tame. Y'all guys should put in the comments like what really I should like tame and all of that mess, cause I really don't know what I should be taming. I want to pet him. And put all that on there. And in this, I'm gonna split all. Cause what this does, it like makes it rot, spoil quicker. And while I want that is to make narcos. That's what I really want, is narcos. Oh, I think he got to level. Yep, he just leveled up. 31 now. They're not really that high level. Let me put him over there too. Or her, I don't know. I just named it Perry. You see, I just got a level from being over here. Huh. But, yeah. That's what we've really been doing. So I need to make one of those platters or whatever they are. My bad, I'm still not familiar with the, pestle. So I need stone. Stone. Okay. So with the, oh god, with the axe right here, this axe, you get more stone out of stuff. With the pickaxe, you get more flint. I think I've told you that already. But it's pretty much the same way out of trees. For the pickaxe, it's more thatch, and for the axe, it's more wood. Everything has really been working out for me here. Nothing bad has really been happening. I only died once this whole time. And so pestle, can I get that yet? No. Do I have any? I need 65 stone. Alright, going out grab some more stone. Sorry about this, guys. It's gonna be a long series. But if y'all stick in, I really thank you. I thank you a lot. I think I'm gonna put the pestle, mortar and pestle over here. I'll put it right there. Okay, and now I'm gonna put, hold up. I'll get some narco berries off of, Perry. Nope, I don't wanna ride you. Nope. Look at all those narco berries. It's a lot, guys. You need a parasaur right off the bat. Not high level, but let me tell you, it can gather. See, you put the spoiled meat in and the narcos. And I'm pretty sure that's all you needed to do. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I think I got it now. We got to here, drugs, here, and then craft all we can. Alright, now we're making narcotics. Nice. You know, some videos are gonna be longer than others, but I hope y'all don't mind. I think what we're gonna do to end off this video is go around looking for stuff to tame, and then we'll tame it in the next episode with our new narcotics. Oh, Parasaur has a level up. I'm really scared to swim across that though, because there's been a lot of megalodons that I've seen. I think this we don't have to swim across. We'll go over there. I see a couple looking like couple things over there. I don't know what they are. We'll have to tame one of those soon. Okay, turtle. What level are you, buddy? What level are you? You won't let me know, will you? 15. Ew. I don't know what these are really for, but we could tame one, I guess. What level is it? Oh, you put raw meat in it to tame it. Nice. You don't have to knock it out. Well, there's a lesson for you guys. You don't have to knock those out to tame them. Kill us a trout. Saber-tooth. I'm trying to kill. Oh, stupid piranhas. I hate piranhas. They're annoying. Well, I'm not even gonna mess with it. It's nice to know there's a few of these around. What level are you? Oh, nice. What level are you? These right here just have a lot of health. That's what they are good for. Level 80. That's gonna be hard to knock out. We might have to get something a little bit lower than that. We may manage to do it if we can do a cliff. We can tame it with a cliff. But I'm not seeing much that we can really tame. There's a trike over there. I think we need the arrows for that though, because I don't want to risk using, I don't want to risk using slingshot because they're not really worth crap. As you can see, my Parasaur just gathered some resources from that. I don't really want to go in this area because it's like a medium area, but it's nice to know that this is just right there because there's a lot of carnivores that spawn in these areas. What level are you? What level are you? I might contain it. 10? Better than nothing. Unconscious. Nice, nice, nice. Put food in inventory. Fish meat. We have fish meat. Yes. Alright. I need your narcotics. No, I don't need to ride you, but give me some narco berries. Thank you. We've put food in your inventory, buddy. Pretty sure you eat fish meat. I'm 100% sure you eat fish meat. Do you not eat fish meat?